Hi there, Emmanuel here, and today we're going to be looking at eToro. We're going to do an eToro review. I'm especially going to be looking at the eToro copy trading. So really it's going to be an eToro copy trading review. And I'm just going to go over the platform and what I know about it and how it can help you if you do want to copy other people's trades. Alright, but just before we do get into that, if you're not already a subscriber to the channel, first, if you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome. I want to say hi. And if you're not already a subscriber, then please take a second, just hit that subscribe button below. Also, remember to just tick on the bell icon so that anytime I do release a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And I'm doing that regularly. If I find out anything I think can potentially help you to make some more money online, I'm putting a video out there. So make sure you don't miss out on that and just hit that subscribe button below. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the site. This is what the site looks like. It's called eToro. You know, you trade with confidence on the world's leading social trading platform. It's a very, very big platform. It's all over the world. It helps you. It has, you know, different investing information, education. There's other people giving you their tips, and there's other traders on here as well, you know, and they look at all different types of trading, stocks, cryptocurrencies, CFD trading. Now, what I'm going to be looking at, so this is the back office when you do get involved, and it is actually free. It's free to join. It's free to do an account. You know, you only have to put money in when you actually want to trade, and you can trade using the same platform as well. So this is what the inside looks like. You know, you can do your own portfolio. There's the news feed. You can trade the markets off here. And what I'm going to be looking at today is the copy trading aspect of it, because some people, especially when they're new to trading, they don't want to go through the rigmarole of learning how to trade for themselves. You know, they want to copy other people's trades. They want to see other people that are potentially doing well, and they want to be able to copy them. And kind of, it's another alternative way rather than using putting it in a bank or something like that, you know. And so this, you come to this page here and it shows you all these people here, the most copied. You can show you their percentages, how much they made in a year, 68% this guy, the amount, how risky a trader this person is. So this person will be considered a 6, so that's kind of a slightly more on the risky side. This person, 62% in the last year, considered a 5. These are the ones that are trending. These are long-term stock investors, and these are long-term short investors. And you can just go through them and have a look for yourself. So let's have a look at this person here. If you decide you like a person here, you can click on the copy here. And here is the amount you're going to be depositing. Now, I think you do need to deposit a decent amount if you're looking for a return here. And there's one thing that you'd have to be careful of. There's this button here, copy open trades. What that basically means is that the person's got trades that they're already running. If you then get allocated to this person, the money that you've put here, some of it is going to go straight onto the trades that they've already got open if you've got this button ticked. So say they've already got 4 trades running and you come and get allocated to them. Some of your money is going to go into the trades that they've already got running because it says copy their open trades. Now, the only problem with this is that you're not buying at the same level or selling whatever at the same level that they got involved in. You're getting involved at the level wherever it is now, wherever the market is now. So you could potentially be buying the market high, you know, and instead of buying it low. So you just have to be careful of that. But I do know when you do take this copy open trading off, it takes a lot longer and it's a lot more difficult to get allocated to the person. So you just do have to know that. You also have to know that some of your funds is going to be allocated to open trades from the get-go. So you just have to be a little bit mindful of that. Yeah. The other way, without this though, it does take a lot longer time to get allocated to a person. So, you know, you can go through. And I think especially now, some of these results I think are slightly skewed because the market's been so bullish. So you don't have to be the best trader in the world to get good results, especially in things like crypto coins and cryptocurrency, which there's a big buzz about it at the moment. You know, that you can follow people in the crypto world, because if you don't understand the crypto world, which for me, I don't understand the crypto world as well as I do the Forex world. So if I was going to copy a person, I probably would use something like this. But then, you know, you'll see these exaggerated results because the market's just been going up and up and up. You don't even have to be the best trader in the world to make results on this. Most of them, you just press buy and you'll be all right, So maybe their results are slightly skewed because of how bullish the market has been in this last year and a bit. Okay. But that's the main thing. I think for myself, when it comes to copy trading, I don't believe in copying other people's trading. You've never seen a real millionaire, whether it's in crypto, whether it's in Forex, that copies other people's trades. They've learnt to trade for themselves. But of course, if you're a newbie and you don't want to go through learning to trade for yourself, and you think, I trust this person, I'm going to go and look at their portfolio, I'm going to do a little bit of research on this person, and I'll just let them trade my money, and I'll copy whatever they're doing, then that's fine. Then you can't really go wrong with eToro. I mean, it's very, very well known. It's a massive company. It's not going to be a scam. You're more than likely you won't lose your money. The only way you lose your money is if they're trading, if they trade and they lose, then of course, if you're copying their trading, you're also losing. So there is risk involved, as there is risk involved in any sort of trading. But if you are a type of person, that thinks to themselves, I would like to learn this for myself. I want to learn how to kind of fish for myself rather than being handed the fish by somebody else. Then you need to learn it for yourself. Do you know what I mean? I mean, like, if you're a newbie and this is for you, then you can't go wrong with eToro. I think it's got so much. It's a massive site. It's got so much on there. There's demo trading on there as well, so you can copy the demo trade. So, if that's for you, then I hope this helped you, and you can go on to eToro.com and you can have a look for yourself. Do you know? But if you are now a type of person that decides, no, I want to learn this for myself, and especially if you're looking to learn the Forex, I mean, I make 5 to 10% a week on Forex, using 2 simple methods that were shown to me by the group that I personally trade with, and that I'm giving access to other people, free access, completely free, where you can come and have a look for yourself, and you can see these 2 simple patterns in action, and you can ask questions, and you can even not copy the trades, but follow the trades that they're doing. The people that I trade with, they don't give trade signals or anything like that, but you can copy their ideas. If they're saying to you, I'm looking at, I don't know, USD, Euro USD, and I think it's going to go up this week from this point here, you can go and put it on your trading account as well and see what happens. And a lot of people that get on board with this, especially in the free trial, they've made money from this. So imagine I give you a link now for the free trial and you make money within the first 7 days and you haven't even joined. It's cost you nothing at all. So listen, if that's something that may be of interest to you, of course, no promise of income, complete disclaimer, not telling you you're going to make any money from this. I'm just saying, if you want to come and watch what we do for free, completely for free, you can train with us, you can copy the trades, you can ask questions, all things like that. If you want to do that completely for free for the week, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link below this video. You can click on that. You get completely free access to next week's training. It starts on Monday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's usually an hour and a half, and it's on every single day. So if that's for you, if you want to learn more about the Forex and learn it for yourself, rather than just keep copying people's trades, if that's something you're interested in, I'll leave a link below this. But either way, listen, I do hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take a second, just give it a thumbs up. Also share it with anyone else you think might get some value from it as well. If you have any questions, anything at all you need to talk about, then please don't hesitate. Just leave it in the comments box below. All right, once again, thanks for listening. Till next time, you take care. I'll speak to you soon. All the best.